Hey, this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you live from my home office here in Texas, and we are going to do something cool. You guys know that within the last couple of videos, I have been doing unboxing videos, and the reason why I've been doing that is because if you don't know, I work from home. A lot of times I don't have time to go shopping, especially not on the weekends. I hate going to the mall on the weekends. I don't know about you guys. You guys feel the same. Saturdays I want to chill. I want to go to a restaurant with the kids. I want to go to movies, things like that. I don't want to spend my entire day in the mall with everyone in my city. So I tend to not like to go shopping. So thanks to technology, a lot of us, do our shopping online. But being that I'm not in New York City anymore, and I'm not sitting on a subway for an hour before I go to work, the way that I used to when I was in my 20s. I used to sit there and read all the fashion magazines, like InStyle magazine. That was my main magazine actually back in the day. So InStyle magazine, just to see what was in trend, what was in fashion, and I would go into Manhattan and go grab whatever was in fashion. But because I'm not young, and not young, that's an excuse. Because I'm not, in the know anymore on what's in fashion, I started looking around. I started looking at different stores that had, different fashions online that I used to go shopping in New York City. But sometimes it's hard to pick things for yourself. So by mistake, I found different companies that actually have fashion subscriptions, and they have like different subscription boxes. But I was being very picky and I saw things like Trunk Club, and I saw things like Stitch Fix, where they would send you, you would pay to have a stylist pick out clothes for you on a monthly basis, and then you would get to keep whatever you wanted to keep and then send everything back. But the only thing I didn't like with that was because they would, of course, after you fill out information, they would know what type of style that you like, and they would send you a box of clothes that, of course, you would want to keep it all. So your bill ended up being like $300. So I was like, I don't want to get caught in that rat race. I don't need to spend $300 on clothes every month. So if I can find a company where that would, send me something that I would like on a monthly basis, but I get to keep it without having to figure out how to send it back, which is super annoying to me. I don't understand how how that works, because that would be annoying to me. I would totally dig something like that. And by research and taking a look around at different YouTube videos, I found a company called My Fashion Crate, which this is my second box. So I am I dug my first box. The first box I actually received this comfortable sweater. And if you can see, I have a t-shirt underneath. What's funny is that being in Texas, I'm not in New York anymore, but in the winter, this is a winter here. Basically a sweater, sometimes a long shirt. It does get cold in the mornings, but sometimes you'll need that long shirt. But you can rock the day with a sweater and a t-shirt, and you are set for life. So My Fashion Crate is a monthly subscription. Just to explain how it works, My Fashion Crate is a monthly subscription where they have 3 packages that you can dive into. If you prefer not to have clothes sent to you, you can get an accessories pack, which that includes gift cards, beauty, and it could be purses, things like that, just accessories. And I believe that that's $20 in the $20 range. And I'll put their website below so you guys can take a look at that. Then they have an essentials package, which would include clothing, beauty essentials, gift cards, things like that. Then they have the premium box, which the premium box is $49.95. I know that one for sure because that's the one that we're going to unbox today. And that includes everything in the essentials box, but you get 2 additional items. So every month that would be like 5 to 8 items. To me, $50 is super good to get up to 8 items. So in my opinion, that's why I chose the higher package, because if I can add a little bit at a time to my what I have in my closet and get rid of things that I have there since 1999. I don't know if you guys are holding on to stuff like me. If you are, let me know, hopefully I'm not the only one, but I have things in there since I was working in Manhattan, which I spent a lot of money on those clothes, and I guess that's why I am not willing to get rid of them. So this to me is definitely a good value. So let's go ahead and get after it. Let's see what is in this box. So give me a moment. And what's cool is that every month they give you this postcard which shows you exactly what is in the box. So there you guys got a sneak peek of what's in this box, and they give you the retail value of it, and they give you a description of it. So let's go ahead and dive in to this box. All right, so the first thing that we see here, I see is this, I'm looking for the description. This is a love bracelet, and I'll slide that up so you guys can see. Now this love bracelet is Tenderness, Sensuality, and Unconditional Love by Kanio. This Kanio Love signature bracelet is made of genuine rose quartz beads. As with its name, the heart stone, as it often is called, is a stone of love with oneself and others. So a crystal of tenderness and sensuality. It's powerful stone, stimulating sensual imagination as well as encouraging unconditional love. This accessory is an instant reminder to love yourself and hold your loved ones dear and close to you. And this one is a value of $24. So if you think about it, just with this bracelet alone, that's half the cost of your box right there. And this also included a gift card for the company if you wanted to get more. So that's $7 off gift card. Super fresh, super cool. So we are putting that to the side. So that was very nice. I've seen that on other My Fashion Crate videos, that bracelet. This is the first time I'm getting that bracelet, and that is very, very pretty. And the next thing that we have here with this box is this is an In Love scoop neck top. Now they do have two different types of boxes. They have, as far as clothing, they have small to large, and then they have extra large to, I think it's 3X. That's another thing. There's a lot of companies that didn't offer plus size boxes, and the reason why I have to have an extra large is because on top, you know, my top is a little bit big. So if I went for the large, it probably would be too tight at the top. So I had to go for the extra large. So if you're watching this video and if you're not extra large and above, this top is not this shirt is not what's gonna be in your box, but it'll be something different. Small to large is something different. So hopefully eventually I can go back to large, but just don't want to take a chance with it being too tight at the top. So this here, it says, let me hold this up for you guys. This is In Love scoop neck top, featuring a soft and warm rib material, and is perfect for snuggling on the couch watching your favorite movie, which we're actually going to the movie, so maybe I'll rock this today. You can't go wrong with this classic beige color. It goes with everything. This sweater features on an oversized and relaxed fit, and this value is $45. So just the bracelet and the sweater alone is the cost of the box, if you think about it, is over the cost of the box if you think about it. So that is super fresh. I actually don't even have anything in that color, so that's cool, because see, I already added to my closet, and I can get rid of those 1999 clothes. So all right, so next thing we have here is this is Rose Hip Oil Blotter Paper from My Couture. I've never actually heard of this company, so I'm super excited to try this. These are, I'll put this up so you guys can see, and this is hyperallergenic blotting paper infused with rose hip oil. It removes dirt, buildup, unwanted oil, shine, perspiration from skin, and for a more clear matte complexion. Rosehip oil improves skin tone and texture. The oil contains antioxidants which fights free radicals responsible for aging, a great way to freshen up without disturbing your makeup. This is a value of $10 and this has 60 sheets. So this is cool because I actually have oily skin, and right now it is, yes, it's February. However, it is going to start getting hotter next month in March. Really crazy, but that's why we moved down here. So it will start getting hotter, so I can totally use that throughout the day, which is awesome. So I've never used blotting oil paper, so this is really cool. It says paraben free, talc free, cruelty free. So I know that there's a lot of there's a line out there that a lot of folks are looking for cruelty free products. So if you're one of those people, this is for you. So excited to try that. The next thing we have here is let me get my card. This is a magic frosting liquid Gleam from Trifle Cosmetics. Now I saw this on another video and I did look it up because I've never heard of this one before, and it works. I've seen the reviews. It really works according to the reviews online. So this one is, you create a mouth-watering color-treated iridescence by mixing only a few droplets of this delicious liquid Gleam with your favorite cream or moisturizer. Adjust color and glow intensity by adding more drops to your recipe while cooking up your dessert-worthy look. Use it on its own for a touch of highlighting shimmer. The formula is sweetened with ripe blueberry and plum extracts to keep your skin firm and supple throughout the day. This one is valued at $17, and that one is valued at $17 because I totally was nosy and I looked it up. I had never heard of this. So this one, and I know on the back of the box, I don't know if you guys can see that. On the back of the box, it does say cruelty-free, vegan, mineral-free, gluten, hyperallergenic. So this is, if you have sensitive skin, this is for you. I'm gonna open this up so you guys can do a swatch real. You guys didn't see that. I'm gonna open this up so that you guys can see a swatch of what it looks like. So let me take a look really quick. I'll do a line real quick so you guys can see. And then I'll spread it out. Okay, so this is gonna go on your makeup, or on your face before makeup. So since I work from home, I really don't wear makeup every day. I only wear it when we go out. That's how it looks. It doesn't have a smell to it. Take that back. It kind of a sweet smell. I guess you can smell it more so when you mix it out. And it gives, you guys may not be able to see, oh, you can probably. Let me see if I can hide my face. You can probably see that. It gives your, it does smell. Okay, it does smell. I take it back. Okay. It has like a sweet smell to it, and it gives your hand, if you see that, it's kind of shiny, shimmery. So this is totally nice. Especially, like I said, I work from home, so I don't need to wear makeup every day, but at least it'll moisturize my skin throughout the day, so that's super fresh. All right, and then, so that's what comes with the regular essentials box and the premium box. But the premium box, like I said, you guys get 2 more extra items. So let's dig in and see what those 2 extra items are. So we will start with this one. So this is, let me show you guys the box. This is also from My Couture. I've never heard of that company. Have you guys heard of My Couture? I've never heard of that. This is from My Couture, and that's the box. And what this is a luxurious gold passport holder. So this is a luxurious passport holder with elastic closure. So let me get that out so you guys can see. All right, so keep your travel essentials snug and secure while you check through customs. Designed to fit your makeup or skincare, papers, and credit card and ID. This is a value of $18. So what is funny, and I totally dig that they did this, it says makeup or skincare paper. So if you think about it, I've never had a skincare paper, but this is makeup and skincare, so they totally incorporated in what they sent you. So you would put these papers if you were on a, this is perfect for like a cruise. Let me show you the inside. This is actually pretty perfect if you go on a cruise, or on a trip. You can put this, which is very smart, my fashion crate, awesome job. You can put this right in there, and your IDs, your credit card, whatever information, and you rock this out in there. And guess what? I don't know about you guys, but I don't like to carry a purse when I'm traveling, because it's so, like, everybody's free and I'm the only one with a huge purse because I like the big purses. This you can totally put in your pocket or like your sweater pocket and just walk around free from purses. Okay, so that's super cool. All right, and the last but not least is Softest Mauve Scarf. All right, so let us see. And I'm not gonna take it out the hanger because this is super freaking soft. Look at that. And it looks like it's mega long, and it is mega big. Look at that, how long that is. And look, it has fringes at the bottom. So this sweater, it looks like it's made by CL. Looks like, yeah, that's what it looks like. Okay, so this is made by CL. This beautiful soft scarf is a perfect way to stay warm and stylish. We are in love with this beautiful mauve color, and it goes perfectly with your beige top. I told you, they're slick. They match the stuff together. How awesome is that? It also has an adorable fringe trim with a trendy touch. This one is a value of $48. Guys, if you've ever touched cashmere, this is softer than that. So this sweater alone with that top was well worth it. And this is how the sweater looks. If you see it designed, that would be how that sweater looked. Not the sweater, I'm sorry, the scarf looks. So that totally matches, because if you think about it, the sweater is a little lighter than this. It totally matches, and it goes with this scarf. So I would say I give my fashion crate an A+ this month. February, you guys rocked it. I totally dug it because I'm getting to try out stuff that I've never tried out. So I would say my favorite, what are my favorite products, Lynette? What are your favorite products, guys? For me, my favorite products were, because I haven't never used these products before, so I would have to say is the sweater. That's one, but also these two things. I would say the Trifle Cosmetics and the blotting papers, because I have never tried magic frosting before. If it could rock out magic frosting, I will put that on every day, guys. So I'm excited to try this because I've never tried that before. So I would say these two items, plus of course the sweater, because it's $50. Seriously, these two items here are my favorite because I've never had them in my makeup packet before. So I would definitely get used to these two items every day, especially now that our weather's gonna get warmer. I tend to not wear makeup during the day because it's just too hot to put all that stuff on. So I say my fashion crate, you guys rocked it in February. You guys did an awesome job for me. I cannot wait to get my next package. We'll see. We'll definitely be doing an unboxing next month. And another unboxing I'm gonna do next month is actually gonna get my first Ipsy bag. Where have I been? I have no idea, but I've been in a bubble. So I'm coming out the bubble and I'm getting my first Ipsy bag. So check out next month for that. But I'll put the information for my fashion crate below. I'll put their website in the description so you guys can see that. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. What did you guys like out of this box? What was your favorite item? For me, again, it was this. So you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your week. You guys have an awesome week, and I'll see you guys at the top.